Guys, daily vlog number 7. Here's my cat. Say hi or hello. She's so cute, aren't she? Here's my cat. Go play, go play. I will teach you another Tagalog lessons. Tagalog lessons. Tara dito. Come here. Tara dito means come here. Okay. So, burp. I will burp. One more. Pusa. Pusa means cat. Pusa means cat. And dog. Dog means. Dog means. Dog means aso. Aso. Aso means dog. That's enough for today. Hit that like button and subscribe. Bye guys. Hope you enjoy it.